Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I thought of filming a video on essential products that a girl would definitely need. Now these are the products that I seriously cannot do without. These are hygiene products, also intimate products that every girl would need. Like I absolutely need them and I cannot do without them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first product that I want to talk about is obviously sanitary pads or tampons. Now I do not use sanitary pads. I use tampons because I am really comfortable using them, and sanitary pads do not suit me because they cause rashes and whatnot. I have made a dedicated video on tampons, how to use them, and everything that you like a girl would need to know. I am linking it in the description in case you want to check it out. So tampons or sanitary pads are something I or any girl cannot do without. Now the next product is this panty liner. This is from Sophie. Now this is not something you use during periods. This is something you use just to stay dry. You might feel wetness down there on days when you are ovulating, so that is when you can use this. It keeps you clean down there, dry, and also saves your panty from getting dirty. So these panty liners are actually very small and thin, so you don't even know if you're wearing one. So these are very comfortable, and they also keep you smelling fresh. Next product that is not actually a necessity but something you can use if you are actively having your sex life, or if you have any infection down there. This is something you can use. This is Inti Wash, and this is recommended to me by my gynecologist. She told me to use this not regularly but maybe once every 2 weeks, just to stay away from infections, and also on days when I feel like I might develop an infection, or on days when I am sexually active. This keeps the pH balanced and just keeps you clean. Again, do not use this regularly because excessive use of any intimate wash can actually lead to an infection, so keep that in mind. Now the next product is not actually an intimate product, but this is something very useful. This is the Slick Fix fashion dressing tape to avoid any wardrobe malfunctions, or if you need to stick your top together, or if there is gap between your buttons. You can use this. This is like a dressing tape, like just a sellotape that sticks everything together. It also keeps your dress nicely stuck to your skin because it sticks on your skin as well. But avoid using this on sweaty days because I feel this does not work that well when you're sweating. This product is actually a device that I use during emergencies. Now I get my whole body waxed very regularly. I do not like body hair. If you do, you girl, you don't have to get waxed. So the device that I'm talking about is this Philips Satinel. I think this particular model is discontinued. I will be linking the current model in the description in case you want to check it out. So this is an epilator that effectively removes hair from the roots. This is a little painful because this works just as waxing. I use this for my underarms during emergencies now because it's locked down here in Mumbai, and also when my salon lady is not available, and if I have to go somewhere out and I have to get waxed, I use this. Now the next product is very essential, at least for me. I use roll-on deodorants very regularly, especially the ones from Nivea. The whitening smooth skin deodorant is something I have been using for years and years, and now because I finished this one, I wanted to try the new Dove Even Tone moisturizing creme antiperspirant deodorant. I have been using this for a week and I think this works equally well. Now this is supposed to even out your underarm skin tone, but I am yet to see any difference because firstly my underarms aren't that dark anymore, and it's just been a week, so I cannot really talk about its evening out property, but I can definitely say that this keeps me smelling fresh, and it has a very gentle and mild floral fragrance that I absolutely love, and it is creamy. That keeps my underarms super soft. Friction is something that can darken your armpits, so try using cream based deodorants like this. Now talking about the next product, it is the last product in this video. Maybe you wouldn't really need it, like need it, but this is something I need to have at all times. This is the Dispose bags from Sirona. I use this to dispose of my tampons. This is for tampons and condoms both, and it is really efficient. You can also carry this in your handbag in case you want to discard your tampon or your sanitary pad outside. The best part about these disposal bags is that they are recyclable, which means they are environmental friendly. They are mess free, they seal in odor, they are totally leak proof because they come with a sticker, like the bag has a sticker, so you put in your used tampon or whatever and seal it, and it stays that way. And also it is also biodegradable. How cool is that? And you get 50 bags for just 149 rupees. So I think I'm done with all the essential products that a girl might need. At least I need them, so I thought I'll just come here and make a video. Let me know if you want to see more such female hygiene or female related videos, and I would happily do it for you. Let me know your product recommendations in the comments related to female hygiene, and I would definitely like to try them out. See you all very soon. Bye guys.